Asifa Khan, respond to the fact that pre-matric students were denied scholarships. The Modi government said they will not implement a central scheme that allowed minority students to get scholarships.
I'm coming to that.
Yes.
Before that, I want to respond to him saying that he's talking about the Constitution of India and the rights. Rahul Gandhi is going all over the country saying, I gave you right to education, I gave you right to food, I gave you right to Manrega. He did not give right to take decision to the Prime Minister of this country. Is that what you are talking about? Is that how you are following the Constitution? He didn't give the right.
Ma'am, can you answer my question?
The Prime Minister of this country.
Asifa ji, can you answer my question?
I'm coming to the second part.
Yes.
Yes, I will, definitely. I'm coming to the second point, his second question, and you can also ask and answer. About the minority scholarship, Gujarat government is running a parallel scheme which is running in the name of weaker sections of the society. Narendra Modi is not in a fashion of running into Hindus and Muslims and Sikhs and Isais. He's saying you are all weaker section of the society, and more than 63,000 Muslim students are getting 2,300 rupees a month, a year, 2,600 rupees a year. And what is the central government giving? It is giving 700 rupees per annum. You can't even buy school books for that. And believe me, the Muslims in Gujarat have joined hands and told we don't want the central scholarship. We are already getting a better scholarship in an easier form. A direct check is reaching to the students concerned, children. And what is the central government giving? A bonanza of 700 rupees. You are making such a tamasha, which even the Gujarati Muslims don't want 700 rupees a year. What are you talking about? And see the formalities. You have to open up a current account. A minimum balance is required. No, you are absolutely lying on national television.
There's ghettoization in Gujarat.
Please check.
Can we do one by one? We will come to specifics. We will come to specifics. Just a minute, Asifa. Sanjay Jha, just a minute. Both of you, just a minute.
And your chief minister put up a law, Disturbed Area Act for Gujarat, and you divided the Hindus and Muslims in Gujarat. Don't forget that. You were the ones who brought this law to Gujarat, the Disturbed Area Act. And you wanted it for 1 year, but you extended it. And Rajiv Gandhi at the center rectified and put it again in Gujarat for the coming 5 years. Chiman Bhai Patel, he again extended it for 5 years. Shankar Singh Waghela, he again extended it for 5 years.
Asifa, let us show some.